Instagram just released a new app called Thread. This might be a good buy to Twitter because this app is a direct competitor with Twitter, and this might be a stage fight between Elon Musk and Mark. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make good use of this app and a complete walkthrough of the app. So let's go to my screen. Now, there are two places you can access your Thread app right now. First of all, you can access it through your Instagram app. If you have your Instagram app updated, just come to this three dot right here. You will see Thread around this very place, okay? But if you cannot see it here, just come to your Play Store and download the Thread app. You come to Play Store, we are going to search for Thread Instagram, okay? Thread Instagram like this. You just search for Thread Instagram, and this is the app right now. As you can see, this app right now, 72 megabytes. Just click on the app, and what we are going to do right now, we are going to install the app. It's just 72 megabytes. Now, the app just launches just recently, and it has over 1 million downloads right now. To tell you that people are already jumping into this app right now, click on install, and it's going to install right now. All right, guys, now we just installed the app. As you can see, Thread and Instagram app. The next thing to do right now is to just click on open app. Then we're going to open the app. Now, this is the logo of the app. As you can see, a round. This app was created from the company that created Instagram and Facebook. All right, as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Now, the best thing about this app is that you can log in with your Instagram account. You can log in with your Instagram account. Just click on Instagram right here. Click on this very icon right here to log in this app. So I'm going to click on Instagram, and I'm going to log in through my Instagram account. So right here, you're going to go ahead and just log in through your Instagram account. Just put your Instagram username, and you can put your Instagram password right here. Okay, right, and this is my account, and I'm going to save my login details. And the next thing to do is that they are going to tell you to update your profile, to customize your Thread profile. Now, if you don't want to customize your Thread profile, you can just import it from Instagram. That means you are importing your profile details from Instagram. So what we're going to do right now is to import our profile details from Instagram. We're going to click on continue. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to set your privacy, okay? And if you are setting your profile on public, anyone on or off Thread can see and share and interact with your content. But if you are setting it on private, only your approved followers can see and share and interact with your content. We are going to leave it as public profile and click on continue. They are going to suggest you follow the same accounts you followed on Instagram. You can choose to follow all of them right here, or you can choose to follow some of them. Click on continue. Then they are going to ask you how Thread works. Now, the first thing you have to know about Thread is that Thread was powered by Instagram. As you can see, powered by Instagram. Now, by joining Thread, you agree on the terms and conditions. You are going to click on join Thread. Now, right here, this is the platform of Thread right now. The first interface you are going to be seeing is your Thread feed. As you can see right now, there's nothing on my Thread feed because I didn't follow anybody, and there is no updates on my Thread feed. Now, this right here is what we call the Thread feed. As you can see, this is your own button right here, similar to Facebook and your Instagram page. And this is where you access posts from people you follow and other recommended content from other creators. Now, the next thing you are going to be seeing is the search button right here. Now, if you come to the search button, you can search for your creators. As you can see, these are creators already on Thread. As you can see, Josh Tufoni is on Thread right now, and he has over 80k followers right now on Thread. And these are creators on Thread right now. You can just come here and search for your favorite creators, search for who you want to search for, or search for news, search for whatever you want to search for, and you can follow anybody right here, or you can search for anything right here. Okay, now this is the search bar. Now, the next phrase right now, which is the next button close to the search bar, is where you can create your thread. Now, remember, Thread is a text-based platform, and it's just similar to Twitter. Okay, now you can write up to 500 characters on Thread, and the best part is that you can add links. As you can see right there, you can add photos and you can add videos, which is up to 5 minutes. Okay, now you can just come over here and begin to type your thread. Just go ahead and type whatever you want to type, and you can just go over to the next thread and you type here. You type here, and you come over to the next thread, you type here, and you can just go over and type and type. As you can see, the thread is going, and is going. Okay, now Thread is a text-based platform, just similar to Twitter. So once you are done typing, you can just go ahead and click on post, and your thread is going to be published live. We are going to discard this because we're not going to post that. Now, the next thing right now is where you access your notification. Okay, this love icon is where you access your notification. Now, someone is about to follow me right now. I just joined Thread right now, and I just have my first followers. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on confirm. Okay, this is activities where you have access to all notifications. You can also view replies right here. So view mentions. Mentions are where people mention you on maybe any post, or maybe tag you on any post, and you can click on verified. All right, this is where you have access to all the activities and notification. And the last part right here is where you have access to your profile. All right, you have access to your profile. Now, the first thing you have to look out for here is the thread. Okay, now this thread feed is where all your thread, or all the posts you have made, all the thread you have made appear. Now, the next thing is your replies. Okay, now this is just similar to Twitter. Okay, it's like a conversation app. Now, you have your thread and you have have your replies. Your replies is what you reply to people, and your thread is what you post out. Okay, now you can go ahead and share your profile, and you can also edit your profile. So if you click on edit profile, you can easily just come here and you can edit all your profile, and you can also make your profile private if you wish to make it private. That's all for you. Then you can edit your profile, put your bio, put the link, and you also update your profile if you wish to. Then you can also share your profile out of thread, share it to other social media accounts like your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, and other stuff. Now if you click on this very three dot right here, I don't know if you can see it, this very three dot right here, if you click on it, you are going to be having access to settings, okay, where you can set up your accounts, where you can log out, you can know more about thread, you can cut out them, the language settings. Maybe you are from India, you are from France, or wherever country you are, and you can also switch account right here. As you can see, you can switch accounts, and your privacy, you can turn your account to privacy, the notifications, and you can also invite friends. And this is the walkthrough and the interface of thread. Now if you click on this very icon right here, this Instagram icon is going to take you back to Instagram. So if you click on it right now, it's going to take us back to our Instagram account. So this is how thread works. I believe this video was able to open your eyes to how thread works, and how you can access and how you can make use of thread. Alright, if you find value from this video, do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, because I'm going to be dropping more videos about how you can make good use of thread and how you can utilize this platform for your own good. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that YouTube can notify you when I upload that video. Now thread is a very fresh app in the new blog. It just have over 1 million subscribers of the time I'm recording this video, because it was launched on Thursday, 6th of July. Now if you are a business owner, internet marketer, or you do any business online, and thread is an application you want to make good use of. Now if you want to learn more about thread, how it has penetrated the market, and if you want to make good use of it as a business owner, I've prepared a video that will walk you through on how you can make good use of this application. You can check the video on the card right now to access those videos on how you can take advantage of this app before it gets crowded. So click on the video showing your screen right now, and I will see you there.